Hi, welcome to Selenium Automation Demo on Functional Decomposition Framework using TestNG. Let's start the session. Today's contents of the session are Introduction to Framework, Features, Components, Sample Scenario Automated, Execution in different browsers, and Test Execution Reports. Starting with the introduction. Function Decomposition Automation Framework is a hybrid automation framework which is a combination of data-driven and function decomposition framework. Function decomposition in the sense we are grouping all the related code under methods and reusing it. Hence, it's a function decomposition framework. And data driven in the sense that we are fetching the data from an external source and executing the scripts based on the number of rows of data present in the test data file. Hence, it's a data driven framework. Features of our function decomposition framework are as follows. First is data files. We have options for Excel and XML and reporting. Different sets of reports will be generated after the test script execution. They are as follows: TestNG report, JUnit report, XSLT report, customized report, and automation results in real time. Third one is data fetching functions for Excel and XML with the help of XLS Reader and XML Reader. Next is platform support for Windows and Linux and execution on multiple browsers and multiple versions of the same browser. Next is components of function decomposition framework. They are the building blocks of framework. They are as follows. Selenium WebDriver. It's an open source web-based automation testing tool. It supports most of the programming languages and is platform independent. It's a freeware testing tool which is widely used for regression testing for web as well as for mobile applications. It supports automation on all latest browsers. Next component is TestNG, which is a testing framework which is inspired by JUnit and NUnit, which has most of the innovative functionalities like dependency testing, parallel execution, XML configuration, which has made the testing more powerful and easier. Ant. Apache Ant is a general purpose build tool which is used for compiling the source code, execution, generating reports from command prompt, etc. And XSLT is majorly used for generating graphical reports and also XML transformation on a group of files or on a single file. Sample scenarios automated. We have considered Tumblr website as a sample application and few of the major scenarios for the automation run. Let me walk you through the scenarios considered. Scenario 1. Log into the Tumblr website, navigate to the dashboard, validate the logo and username in the home page, click on the text link, text form will be opened, enter the title and other details, click on post, navigate back to the dashboard, click on customize link and validate the same title in the customize block. Click on exit, navigate back to the dashboard and log out of the application. Sample scenario 2, navigate to the Tumblr website with valid credentials. From dashboard, click on customize link and enter the details like title, description and appearance options. Click on save button, validate the same in the customize block and navigate back to the dashboard and click on log out of the application. Let's see the execution in different browsers. We can execute in two ways. One is Eclipse IDE or we can run via Ant. We have used Ant for execution. Let's see the execution in two browsers, that is Chrome and Firefox. I'm using Ant for execution. So here we can see I'm passing few of the parameters along with the Ant targets. They are as follows. First, I'm passing the browser name as Firefox. Path is default, run on default browser. And next is environment name, that is given as stage. Next is build number, cycle ID, and targets. Let's see the execution. Execution is complete on Firefox browser. Let's see the execution on Chrome browser. Execution is complete on Chrome browser as well. Let's see the reports of execution. So there will be different sets of reports, as I already told. TestNG will be a default report that will be generated along with emailable report, and customized report is a user-defined report which will show the execution status in a tabular format. An XSLT report is used for display of results in a graphical format, and results dashboard is used to view the results at any point of time during test execution. So this is automation results dashboard, wherein if I log in to the dashboard, we can see the results of execution. This is a filter section page wherein we can select so much of values and filters. Based on this, the results will be displayed at the final page. So build number will be populated and fields to be displayed. So these are the fields which will be displayed along with the values given below. So we can select a few of the fields here and we can deselect it also. Few of the fields will be selected by default. Let me select few of the values here and click on continue. So here it is showing the details of execution, like what is the result count and how many passed, how many failed, and what is in progress also. Since it is completed, the test status will be completed for both of the scripts. I have selected Chrome browser, so it is showing the details of execution here. So what is the result ID? It's like a serial number, user ID, environment name, application name, module name, test run date, test cycle ID, automation ID. That is a unique name given for every test data, and build number, test status, results, execution time, and screenshot links if in case of failure. So this is a real-time results dashboard. Now let's see the other reports. So this is a user-defined report which displays the results in a tabular format. And clicking on this will navigate to log files, and screenshot if it is taken, it will navigate to that one. Let's see the reports. Other reports like TestNG report and XSLT report. So this is a default TestNG report wherein we can see the results of execution, how many tests have been executed, and next is reporter output for the scene, which is the group, major group, 2 tests. This is a default report, and this is the tumblr scenarios is the suit. And next is XSLT report. So here it is displaying the results in a graphical format along with the time taken for script execution, showing the group to which it belongs to and reporter output for the same. And the final report will be logs of execution. So logs of execution are nothing but details of every step which has been executed at runtime will be recorded as log over here, and you can see the start of execution and end of execution here. So in this way, logs will be recorded as step if it is a pass and fail if it is a failure. 2 scripts have executed and we have 2 logs for the same. So these are the reports of execution. For any queries, kindly get back to us. Thank you.